Matakpan mo na yan, ma. Baka maano pa ulit.
Tatakpan ko na po.
Naku, wala talagang
Takpan ko na. Tinakpan ko na. 10. Yippee! Gojo, aso. Anong aso? What aso?
Gubad ka na rin, eh.
It's 10:10 in the morning in Australia, at the Australia. Gojo. Yippee. Chiki chiki, yeah. This is my dog. This is my doggy. Oh no, at night. Oh, it's tender. It's Malos. Malos the dog. So cute. Thanks. Malos. Do you have a dog, Ella? It's a boy or girl? It's a boy. It's a boy. Do you have a dog also?
Kaya mo taga? Babalik ko na yun.
Yes, I have 7 dogs. Wow.
Gusto mo ba? Ikaw na lang.
How do you manage 7 dogs? It's hard to manage it. So much dog. I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs. It's cheaper to make food for them than to buy it. Oh, really? But here it's like it's cheaper to feed them a dog food. I only fed them a dog food.
Magpapalang ka sa gitna. Beans? Gusto ka na, Beans? Ay, honey lang naman pala.
Anong honey?
Tagay na. Sarap.
Hello, 2 million viewers in the house.
Sa itlog. Ay, wala.
It's cheaper to feed them human food. Yeah, sometimes, but they eat too much human food.
My labs. Eh, sisa man ganda na ni.
They eat too much human food. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the land of the Philippines, the land of promises. Do I look like Nepali or Singaporean or what?
Do I look like a monkey?
Kinda. It's a prank, my baby loves.
It's because we are
We are automatic na ba to? Naka ano?